All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we're bringing you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Everything from mining the coin, the staking the coin, the using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, using Drip Network to get 1% back every single day, ROI, 365%. Got a video at the end about that. All kinds of good stuff on cryptocurrency. Well, yesterday was the the Super Bowl. Congratulations, Los Angeles Rams. Cincinnati, you did fantastic too. But we're going to be talking about Super Bowl commercials today. So we got the top 10 Super Bowl commercials. And you heard it here a month ago. You heard it here 3 weeks ago. The best Super Bowl commercial is going to be a crypto commercial. And it is. So the number 1 commercial is a crypto commercial. And the number 4 commercial is a crypto commercial. We're going to list these commercials. We're going to play a few of them. Talk about it a little bit. And then we're just going to go through the top 10. And number 1 is a crypto commercial. So, all right, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. I'll go on the channels and make sure everybody learns about cryptocurrency, understands cryptocurrency, and one day even owns some cryptocurrency. So, all right, everybody. It was a really great Super Bowl. It was exciting. Bengals were winning. Rams came back. I mean, just a back and forth. The commercials were great. The halftime show was awesome. All kinds of great stuff. So let's head over to Super Bowl commercials 2022. It says right here, the top 10 best Super Bowl ads for 2022. All right, so what was number 10? Number 10 is Planet Fitness. So hey, everybody, let's go ahead and play this real quick. All right, here we go. Planet Fitness, number 10.
What's gotten into Lindsay?
She's never been sharper.
This basketball star married himself in 1996.
Who is Dennis Rodman?
Correct.
Son of a...
She's sleeping better than ever, which the paparazzi aren't thrilled about.
I miss Lizzie!
She's even more productive, trading DUIs for DIY.
The verdict is...
Gorgeous. Maybe it's not what's gotten into Lindsay. It's what Lindsay's gotten into.
Hey, William.
Planet Fitness. Get glowing and feel spectacular.
All right, right there is number 10, Planet Fitness. I thought I'd give it a thumbs up. Great job, Planet Fitness. So number 9 was a Lord of the Rings coming out movie. So number 9 is Lord of the Rings. So pretty good on the Lord of the Rings. Number 9. Number 8 was Nissan, the Thrill Drive. Nissan did real good at number 8 also. Number 8 was Nissan. Number 7 was Irish Springs. Let's play this one.
What is this place?
Welcome to Irish Spring, friend.
Where stinkiness is unwelcome.
Bad smells must receive their correction.
Cast thy smell away!
Cast thy smell away!
Irish Spring. Smell from a nice smelling place.
All right, and the Irish Spring comes in at number 7, everybody, for the Super Bowl. Irish Springs. Squarespace Sally Seashells comes in at number 6.
Sally sold seashells by the seashore. But the seashells didn't sell so well. So Sally set up a seashell store on Squarespace. Soon her seashells started selling. Sally was such a seaside sensation, she also sold swanky seashell accessories, seashell serenity sessions, savory seaside snacks, even seashell excursions of the seashore. Sally's seashells were so successful, she sailed into the setting sun as a seashell celebrity.
Shucks.
All right, Sally Seashells at number 6. Well, the funny thing is we know the number 1 commercial is a crypto commercial, and we know the number 4 is a crypto commercial. Let's make our way down here. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All right, let's keep this Super Bowl 2022 to top 10 going. Number 5 is General Motors. This one's really good, everyone.
Ladies and gentlemen, our takeover of General Motors is complete.
Dr. Evil, we can now use GM's Ultium platform to power our whole operation.
Now we can reduce tailpipe emissions.
I'm sorry, am I no longer Dr. Evil? I'm Dr. Good now? I didn't get the meme.
Climate change is arguably the #1 threat to the world now.
Dr. Evil, you are now the #2 threat to the world.
I refuse to be number two.
We have to help the planet.
Oh, please, cheer.
For my son.
Your son? I shall name him Baby Me.
No, his name is Kyle.
You must help save the world first.
Then you can take over that world. Okay, Frau, how about you let me do the business, all right? Hold on, I've got it. I will help save the world first, then take over the world.
She literally just said that.
Scott, you just don't get it, do you?
What? What don't I get?
You don't get it.
Oh, we're right back.
And you're never gonna get it.
You can't draw me into these little...
You don't get it.
You act like a child.
Here it is. You don't get
I
it.
am an adult. You can't push my buttons anymore.
We'll reduce our carbon footprint.
Whatever. Okay, let's go. We're going all electric.
Everybody in!
Not you, Scott. One day you're gonna run the company. One day you're gonna run the company, baby me.
All right, General Motors at number 5. Now we're down to the last 4. Well, the next one is a crypto commercial, FTX. Don't miss out. So this is our first crypto one. Crypto has a sizable presence this year's Super Bowl, and let's face it, some of it didn't work.
I call it the wheel.
I don't think so. This is a miss.
Brother David, behold! It's a fork!
I got 10 forks right here, baby! A toilet? We're not animals. We go outside like humans.
Hancock.
No king! The people shall have the right to vote.
Even the stupid ones?
Yes!
Edison, can I be honest with you? It stinks. Nobody's gone to the moon, ever. Why not? It's far. It's too far. It's far.
の未来はフォータブルミュージックです。
バカか。出て行け。語りがいいでも言えるぞ。語り。
Like I was saying, it's FTX. It's a safe and easy way to get into crypto.
Yeah, I don't think so. And I'm never wrong about this stuff. Never.
All right, and there's our first crypto commercial, FTX at number 4. All right, Rocket Mortgage, they came in at number 3.
Barbie really wants this dream house. It's got stunning views and a slide.
Barbie's ready for fun.
So cool! And Barbie found out about this dream house with an alert from Rocket Homes.
She did?
Well, it's a super competitive market. Everyone wants to buy the dream house.
Better offer Betty.
I'll go 10 over asking.
Cash offer Carl.
Straight cash.
House flipper skipper.
Let's tear it to the studs.
You vultures! You're gonna start a bidding war!
This is less than ideal.
Oh no!
Don't worry, Barbie has a verified approval that shows her finances are backed by Rocket Mortgage. So Barbie wins!
But we need a house.
Oh, I found a fixer-upper castle on Rocket Homes.
It has good bones, but really bad neighbors.
I like his vibe. Get your dream house all in one place with Rocket Homes and Rocket Mortgage. For a better way to find and finance, Rocket can.
Thanks for helping.
No problem, it's good for my glutes.
All right, and Rocket Mortgage comes in at number 3. We're down to the last 2 Super Bowl commercials for 2022 to see which one's the best. And number 2 is Lay's potato chips. Here we go. Lay's potato. This one's actually really, really good too. All right, everyone. This one's really, really good.
Nervous? Oh, Lay's. Brings back so many good memories.
Remember our road trip in '97?
Our first real heart-to-heart.
I've never seen any of your movies! Not even the ones we're in together! Hey, do you remember when that stalker kidnapped us?
Yes!
Lay's was there.
Lay's. Do you have barbecue or cheddar jalapeno?
Ooh. Oh, remember when we stumbled into that turf war? Remember when you bought your first house?
Hi! I'm Seth!
Those were good times.
They were golden.
You ready? Seth, do you?
I do.
And Janet, do you?
That's a yes.
I love this lady!
All right, Lay's potato chips is number 2. Really good one. Well, you heard it a month ago from me when I said that the number one commercial was going to be a crypto commercial. And guess what, everybody? It was. Here's the number one commercial for the Super Bowl. Yep. QR code. Coinbase. $14 million on this commercial. It's 1 minute. 7 million every 30 seconds. 14 million. You want to get a whole 14 million for it. Drop the Coinbase. There you go. So you heard it from Frank's Crypto Corner first, that the number one commercial was going to be a crypto commercial, and it ended up being Coinbase to be number one, and FTX was number 4. Fantastic. There's some lot of good commercials there. There are Lay's commercials. Fantastic. I mean, go back and watch them. I didn't play them all, but they're really, really good. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to the channel. Click right here to see our most recent video. Click over here to learn about Drip Network. If you need a buddy, I can be your buddy. Hey, everybody. Super Bowl was yesterday. Congratulations, Rams. Congratulations, Cincinnati. You did fantastic. We'll see you a little bit later. Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner.